मैं इमरान बशीर हूँ. Are you leading Independent Candidates Alliance?
Leading it was an idea that was formed by me and my brother Yaqoob sir. Nobody's actually leading this alliance, that's why it's an alliance.
What are the main goals?
Give proper representation to the people of Birmingham who have been misrepresented for far too long now.
Difference from big parties like Labour.
The difference is that we speak the truth. And what have they done for us? What have they done for us? That should be the question for people.
You know, some say ICA is building a Muslim bloc vote.
Being misrepresented, then yes, ICA is a home for the Muslim vote. It's been neglected and misrepresented for far too long, but it's not just specifically for Muslims.
So how many wards will ICA contest?
61 wards have now been confirmed with us. Just a start at the moment.
So why is ICA a strong choice for Birmingham voters?
As an alternative to those parties that have been around for decades.
How many seats do you think ICA will win?
We aim to take more than 10.
More than 10?
More than 10, and if we get anything over 10, it's a bonus. We want to be the kingmakers in the next council.
So will ICA win seats like those of Shafiq Shah, Majid Mahmood, Wasim Zafar, Maryam Khan, even Ansar Ali?
Those ballot boxes that you were talking about, we won those ballot boxes in the general election. Alam Rock, Hodge Hill, Heartlands, Bosley Green, we won those ballot boxes quite comfortably with good margins. So what can we do again?
In ICA is saying we will take over.
Inshallah.
Your top 3 changes if you win?
Providing free school meals. Free school meals, transport for the youngsters and employment.
ICA working with the Workers' Party.
We made an electoral agreement with the Workers' Party because the cause is the same. The cause is the same, and that's getting rid of the Labour Party.
Birmingham has problems like bin strike, like bad roads. Is your team ready to fix them?
Not mismanage funds that come in from the central government, funds that belong to the taxpayer. We don't want to spend them on vanity projects like the Labour-run council have already been doing. The Athletes Village in Perrybar, almost £500 million was spent on that. And they sold it for about 30 to 40% of the building costs. So they lost that money. The fountain in Birmingham city centre outside the library, that cost over £1 million. So we definitely will be working towards not mismanaging the funds, you know. We definitely be working towards, once the funds come into us, you know, for them to be used within the community. For things that matter, unemployment, bin strikes, you know, school meals, transport, but things that really matter, not things that people come and just take pictures with.
What will be your number 1 priority in the festival?
It's always looking after children, getting children out of poverty. Birmingham is a sort of benchmark for child poverty now, where over 40% of children are living within poverty.
What do you say to the voters who are angry with the big parties?
Give the ICA a chance now. You've seen what the mainstream political parties are doing, and ICA are not about that, because ICA, we are going to be taking instructions directly from our stakeholders and our voters. We're not going to be operating by taking instructions from a man in London.
In the future, will you run for bigger jobs like Mayor MP?
Let's see what happens, inshallah. I wasn't even involved in politics, brother. 2 years ago, I didn't know what politics was. So we don't know what the future holds. We don't know what the future holds.
Final message to the voters.
Final message to the voters is we're doing what we're doing for you, for your future, for your children, not for us. Alhamdulillah, we've lived our life. I probably lived more than 60-70% of my life already, and I had a choice to retire away peacefully in Kashmir, where I'm from. or fight for the people who I was born amongst, fight for the people that I lived amongst, fight for our communities. And I chose the second option, the fight. I could have had the easy way out and I could have gone, but no, I didn't want to be selfish, and I don't want to leave our communities with these hypocrites, these munafiqs around them. I can't do it. It'll be very selfish of me to just get my bags and go. And a message to all the hypocrites and the munafiqs, especially people who were supporting me in my last elections, those people who are now campaigning with the Labour Party, you should be ashamed of yourselves. I will be exposing each and every one of you, and you'll be exposed on the Day of Judgment, and you'll be risen as munafiqs, as hypocrites. Shame on you people. Remember that.